This is Farm Journal's Margie Fisher. I'm with Bob Utterback of Utterback Marketing. Bob, tell me a little bit about the rumors of a weather market. Should farmers sit on the sidelines and see how this crop develops?
Well, we're coming in the time period of August here where unusually the market is very sensitive about the prospects. Because the stocks are so tight to use, the corn market doesn't have a lot of room to be wrong. And with stock levels in corn below 10%, even one bushel drop off the national average will have immediate 25 to 30 cent insurance costs. So right now, the market is saying we got the opportunity to balloon this market up here in the next 2 weeks. I would suggest to you by about the second week of August, most of the summer weather premium will be in the market. Then the fall, the market will back off as we wait to see what the crops harvest. And then the market will start thinking about next year. And it'll be going from El Nino to La Nino. Will we start seeing the potential of an 87, 88 bull market? This will start talking, I need to buy acres, and all that bullishness should be used to put an early premium in the market, and that's when I think farmers need to be very aggressive, taking advantage of 2011. If we can get that market back into that 450 to 470 level, I think you really need to be thinking, because that's looking at some very good profits, close to $180, $200 an acre profits, I think need to be really locked up for corn.
Bob, I just want to briefly talk about something we talked about this past spring, which was the wheat carryover and how that may affect some farmers' corn storage this fall.
Well, what we had seen is that wheat prices were under a lot of pressure. Then we came in and we saw a significant, in the last 2 weeks, we've seen a significant recovery in the wheat price due to short liquidation. The crop wasn't as good as anticipated. But we're already hearing reports of several elevators that are filling up with wheat because of the carry in the market, and that is going to have an adverse effect to us in this fall on the corn basis, because as the wheat's filled up and they've sold that wheat for carry and they're committed to that, you're going to have logistic problems because farmers won't be able to find the storage. Basis will be wide at harvest, and that could really have some impacts on the harvest prices on basis, I think, on corn. So I think farmers should store wheat and sell the carry. Prices in 2011 are already approaching those low 650s, maybe $7 wheat, and I think that'll be enough to encourage farmers to go back to planting wheat for 2011.
Thanks, Bob.
My pleasure.